Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janay. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. So we're going to start off by using Got To Be glue, and I'm just going to put that on my edges and brush that through my hair. Just to lay my edges down so it won't get in the way of my wig. So the wig I'll be wearing today is from Donmily hair. I think that's how you say it. I have all the information for it down below. But I'm just going to put some of the black Got To Be glue on my forehead. Let that dry a little bit and pull the wig down. And any part that I didn't get with the glue, I'll use the freeze spray for. I tried not to go too crazy with the baby hairs. I wanted them to look as natural as possible. And to lay that down, I am using the black Got To Be glue and just a little edge brush. So now it's time for the hot comb. I'm going to use some Bio Silk serum. I feel like this works really well when you want to hot comb your hair because it just makes the hair really sleek. So I'm going to make my middle part and just hot comb on both sides of that to make it super flat. And now I'm just going to start plucking where I did the part at just so it can be a little thicker to look more realistic. And I did bleach the knots on this wig. I don't have a wig cap on. And I used a lace overlay in the color Almond by Tailored Crowns. So I have that link down below if you guys want to check that out. Now on to the makeup. So I probably won't say every little product that I'm using in the video because I'm already kind of behind with this voiceover, but I will have everything down below. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows with a black gel liner. And I wanted to use black because I really wanted my eyebrows to stand out because we are doing, you know, a Halloween look. So I didn't want to make my eyebrows super natural. And I'm just outlining that with my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NC42. Next, I'm going to use my foundation. I'm using Kat Von D, which is my favorite foundation ever. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC Studio Finish Concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, nose, and my chin. Then I go back in with the Fenty Beauty in a lighter color just under my eyes to bring some brightness to my face, and then I blend that out. So to set my concealer, I'm using the Ben Nye Banana Powder. I haven't used this powder in a very long time, but I just wanted to, you know, bring it back, and I still love it. It still works the exact same. So that's what I'm using for my powder. And then I'm using a Fenty bronzer on the outsides of my face. So I'm using, I believe, Gold Deposit by MAC just to add some shimmer to my face. And for blush, I'm using Tell and Glow by MAC. I wanted to do orange because I felt like it would go well as a cat style and not use my usual pink. So now I'm using a random red from the Norvina palette, and then I go back in with what I use on my eyebrows and put it on my lid and blend that out with the fluffy brush. My lips, I'm using BFF3 by ColourPop, and I'm using a lipstick by Morphe and my gloss from Fenty Beauty. For my highlight, I'm using one by Artist Couture, and I really love it. I remember buying it a little while ago and I didn't like it, but the more I use it, the more I like it. So I would suggest you guys check that out. You can get it from Sephora. So now back to the hair, I'm just going to brush it out. And I did spray some of the Anastasia shimmering oil on me. It just has like gold flecks in it. And I'm using my Sebastian hairspray. I'm just going to spray that all over the hair. And I went to Sally's today and got this crimper, and I believe it's by Hot Tools, and I have that listed down below. And basically all I'm going to do is just crimp my hair all over.
Tomorrow will be better, I always tell myself. And every day, every time I grow, you've tried to pull me down under the ground, every time, but I'm alive. What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head? You're messing around me, it's killing yourself and it's sad. You're like faker, act like better, but I can feel it, cause it's so obvious. You're like faker, act like better, but I can feel it, cause it's so obvious. In your world, you think it's fine, but you have to be in the real life, cause I'm keep going, step on you. They're only me and myself, there's no place for you. Just be your own. Don't be cheater. What do you think? Why don't you sink under the water? So what do you see in the illusion in your head? You're messing around me, it's killing yourself and it's sad. You're like faker, act like better, but I can feel it, cause it's so obvious. You're like faker, act like better, but I can feel it, cause it's so obvious. You're like faker, act like better. I can feel it cause it's obvious. You're like faker, act like better.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this hair is from Donmily hair, I think that's how you say it, and I'll have all the information down below. Happy Halloween, and I will see you guys in my next one.
Better, but I can